Have you ever wondered what happens to a spacecraft after it has been flying through the vastness of space for almost half a century? Let's talk about Voyager 1, a true legend of space exploration. Launched way back in 1977, this probe is still out there, sending back data from beyond our solar system, making it the most distant human-made object from Earth. But how is this even possible? How does a machine built with 1970s technology keep going after all this time? The story of Voyager 1 is a testament to human ingenuity and a little bit of luck. Imagine this. You're trying to fix a computer that's billions of kilometers away, and any command you send takes nearly a full day to get there, and another day to get a reply. That's the daily reality for the engineers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. They're the unsung heroes keeping this incredible mission alive. One of the biggest challenges has been power. Voyager 1 is powered by a radioisotope thermoelectric generator, or think of it as a nuclear battery that uses the heat from decaying plutonium to generate electricity. But like any battery, it's slowly losing power. Over the decades, its output has dropped significantly. To save every precious watt, engineers have had to make tough decisions, shutting down non-essential instruments one by one, like the heaters for its cameras, which took those iconic pale blue dot photos. It's a constant balancing act to keep the most critical systems running. Then there are the thrusters. These tiny rockets are used to keep Voyager 1's antenna pointed toward Earth. After 37 years of continuous use, the primary set of thrusters started to degrade. The team faced a huge problem. How do you steer a spacecraft when its steering is failing? The solution was nothing short of brilliant. They decided to fire up a set of backup thrusters that had even been used since Voyager 1 flew past Saturn in 1980. It was a long shot. These thrusters were designed for planetary flybys, not for the delicate pointing maneuvers needed for communication. After digging through decades-old data and running complex simulations, they sent the command and it worked. The old thrusters fired up perfectly, extending the mission's life for years to come. But the challenges didn't stop there. Just recently, in late 2023, Voyager 1 started sending back instead of clear scientific data. Mission Control received a repeating pattern of nonsensical code. The team suspected a memory corruption issue in one of the onboard computers, specifically the Flight Data Subsystem, or FDS, which is responsible for packaging the data before it's sent to Earth. The problem was, they couldn't just reboot it. They had to pinpoint the exact location of the corrupted memory chip, which is smaller than your fingernail, on a spacecraft 24 billion kilometers away. The engineers began a meticulous process of elimination. They sent commands to try and isolate the problem, a painstaking task, given the 45-hour round-trip communication time. It was like playing detective across the solar system. After months of troubleshooting, they found the culprit. A single, faulty memory chip. The plan was to cleverly bypass the bad chip and store the essential code in other locations within the FDS memory. It required rewriting and segmenting the code in a way that the nearly 50-year-old system could handle. In April 2024, they sent the first part of the fix. The team waited with bated breath. Then, a signal came back. For the first time in 5 months, they received a clear, readable status update from the spacecraft. It was a huge victory. They had successfully performed remote brain surgery on a probe in interstellar space. They continued to send more patches to restore the flow of science data, and slowly but surely, Voyager 1 is returning to its scientific duties. The story of Voyager 1 isn't just about a machine. It's about the incredible dedication of the people behind it. It's a mission that has spanned generations. With engineers who built it now, retired, and new generations taking up the mantle. They're working with outdated programming languages and documentation, essentially becoming space archaeologists to keep our farthest explorer talking to us. Voyager 1 redefines what we think is possible. It's a symbol of our relentless curiosity and our ability to solve impossible problems. It continues to journey into the unknown, a silent ambassador for humanity, carrying its golden record with sounds and images of Earth, just in case someone or something is out there. Thanks for watching. If you were as inspired by this story as I am, hit that like button and subscribe for more tales of incredible engineering and exploration. See you next time!